want to go over the bat with you right before you take the quiz, which means I'm pretty much telling you how to do your quiz. The first question on your bat was, which of these are quadratic? So let's look at them. Y equals x squared minus 4 is definitely quadratic because it has x squared. Number 1B, I like to use a T-chart because it's easier to look at. 2, 0, 4, 12, 6, 32, and 8, 60. Okay, 2, add 2, add 2, we're good there. Here you go up 12, up 20, up 28. All right, now it's the next difference that tells us if it's quadratic. Has to be the same. Plus 8, plus 8. Yes. So one of the answers is B. Okay, C. 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20. Okay, this all goes up 1, just like a linear equation. And this one, up 5, up 5, up 5. Nope. This is linear. Same x increase, same y increase, linear equation. It has a slope. And D has an x cubed. We're done. The x squared doesn't matter if it has an x cubed in it. It is not quadratic. All right, number 2, we're going to use the graph to find the vertex. The vertex is the minimum point here, the lowest point, and I guess B says minimum. And the vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 2. Vertex, 5, negative 2. The amount of zeros it has is how many places does it cross the x-axis? It crosses them twice. So it has 2 zeros. If you have 1 0, it would look something like this, where it only touches the x-axis in 1 point. And if you have no zeros, one of those, because it will never touch the x-axis. Okay, axis of symmetry is the first coordinate in your vertex, and in this case it is x equals 5. If you forget to put x equals, you will miss 5 of your 10 points of that question. So don't forget it. You heard it here. I'll play it for you if you want. All right, now find the vertex and the axis of symmetry in 8x squared minus 32x plus 3. All right, the axis of symmetry is x equals the opposite of b over 2a, and this will not be on the quiz. It's by now. You should know how to do it. So the opposite of b is 32. 2 times a is 2 times 8. If you're using a calculator, you must put that in parentheses and put 32 division sign 2 times 8. You can't do it like this because you'll get the wrong answer. It'll divide first and then multiply everything by 8. You don't want that. Your calculator doesn't know that you have a denominator of 16. You could just do that and then put it in your calculator. 32 divided by 16 is 2. All right, so when you're giving the answer, x equals 2. You gonna remember that? Hope so. All right, we're gonna put 2 into the equation. So that's 8, 2 squared, minus 32 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. You always do the exponent first. 8 times 4, 32, minus 64 plus 3. That's negative 32 plus 3, negative 29. Now that's not the answer because I am asking for the vertex, and the vertex is 2, negative 29. And that's pretty much it. You'll have 3 or 4 of those, and you'll have to tell me if something is quadratic, and you will look at a graph and give me the parts of it. You won't be doing any graphing on this quiz. You'll have a quiz on that probably next Tuesday. So make sure you try real hard on 8E, which is for homework, and we'll go into it Monday and practice. And, you know, if you're not ready On Tuesday, we'll wait till Wednesday, but let's get that done. Let's figure out, everybody can graph a quadratic equation. And then in the next chapter, we're going to start using factoring. So you people in my lab, you're going to practice factoring if you get your homework done. If you don't get your homework done, you don't have any factoring to practice. We can do it on Monday in class. Behave yourselves, lab, 5th and 6th period, and don't get your name on the board for talking or anything like that, or I'll give you a detention. Okay, just be quiet. All right. See you later, guys. Good luck on the quiz.